So today, cameraman Mohit and I are going to Mumbai, and for what reason? It's for another luxurious trip, and we are also staying big. Where are we staying, Mohit?
The freaking Taj.
Are you excited? Because I am. Let's go send it. We are now eating breakfast on the flight itself. What do you have, Mohit?
Non-vegetarian Air India meal.
This is my first time ever in Mumbai. Tika looks good on you, Bobby. We are now in the Taj Club room. This is what they have given me. Balloons on the bed, which make no sense. Do they think cameraman Mohit and I are gay? And what is this letter? Dear guest, we extend to you a very warm welcome from all of us at the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. As you step into our iconic hotel, it's too long. It's too long. I can't read all of that. So yes, Bobbies, this is what we have. Let me show you the bathroom. This is the bathroom at Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. It's literally as big as my room. Okay? Full marble and a bathtub in which I fit. That is very rare because big man doesn't fit in half the bathtubs. Okay? Yeah, Bobbies, this is what 35,000 rupees a night gets you at Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai.
I just think this is so funny that they put balloons on our bed. That's
I don't know why they put
that's so
balloons.
gay.
But to be honest, Cameron Mohit and I do look like a gay couple.
We do, look at this. Especially with the...
A very good looking gay couple, yes. What is it, cameraman?
I was just going through this random document that I found, and I just found a pillow menu.
Pillow menu?
Taj has a pillow menu.
So you're saying if I don't like the pillow, they will give me...
Yeah, here are the options. Contoured cervical pillow, microfiber pillow, white goose down, shredded foam pillow, natural cotton pillow. Bro, what is this? I think that's what
What have they given me here? Balloons is what they've given me. कि तू balloon पे सो. Alright guys, so cameraman और मैं थोड़ा settle हो चुके हैं. Now we are going to the high tea. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली ताज में आपको हाई टी मिलता है दो अलग अलग रेस्टोरेंट्स में. एक तो उनके लाउंज में मिलता है विच इज़ पार्ट ऑफ आवर स्टे, फ्री है वो हमारे लिए. और एक और है उनका एक रेस्टोरेंट है कॉल्ड एज द सी लाउंज. दैट इज़ एन आइकॉनिक रेस्टोरेंट विच वी विल प्रॉब्ली गो टू लेटर. बट आज हम लोग अपना जो स्टे के लिए फ्री मिल रहा है वो कंज्यूम करेंगे. लेट्स गो. सो गाइज, ये है वो ताज का आइकॉनिक कॉरिडोर. ओ माई गॉड, वीव सीन दिस in YouTube videos, we've seen this in media articles, but first time in person. Oh, Bobbies, you want to play chess? You know how to play chess?
I actually do.
You do?
Do you?
I don't know how to play. I just know that Hathi goes straight, horse goes in L shape, and the pawns you can take one step. That's all I know. Guys, just look at this beautiful setup, and it is pin drop silent here. मेरे को बात करते हुए भी थोड़ी शर्म आ रही है बिकॉज ऑफ लाइक यू नो सच साइलेंस. राजा को रानी से प्यार. दिस ट्रिप हैज़ बीन मेड पॉसिबल थैंक्स टू my efforts, not because of you guys. You guys don't even hit like or subscribe. This channel is only at 6,000 subscribers. What the fuck are you doing? I should be at least 10,000 by now. So please hit like and subscribe. Guys, मैंने एक मसाला चाय लिया है and so did cameraman because he likes to copy everything I do.
Yes.
Tea taste. The bread. Turkey pastrami. So guys, ये है ताज महल पैलेस और ये है ताज टावर. हम लोग रह रहे हैं पैलेस में, which is the more expensive one.
Yeah.
Even this looks pretty cool to me, bro.
But this has character.
This has character, architecture, character, and historical significance. But talking about historical significance, Gateway of India. Oh my God, you see that? Cameraman ने खुद एक cameraman hire किया है to take a picture in front of Taj. We get a printed copy for 50 rupees. Wow, so cool. हाँ, ready, pose. No, अच्छा दोनों एक साथ. हाँ, दोनों एक साथ, sir. So guys, we are now printing it in this itself.
That's so cool. He just took it and he's just gonna print it and just give it to us.
Guys, photo is here. Oh my god. I'm not that fair though, right?
No, I think it's glamorized.
It's glamorized. Yeah. It's AI, bro. It's AI.
Yeah.
Cameraman, how's your experience been so far?
The experience has been insane. I think Taj is criminally underrated.
Underrated. Huh?
Sorry, not underrated. It's criminally overlooked by the community. It's not.
It's flying over my head, guys. इतनी English मेरे को भी नहीं आती.
Guys,
Simple words.
अगर मैं आसान शब्दों में बोलूँ तो ताज बहुत सुंदर और सुरीला जगह है और गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया के सामने खड़े होके इन लम्हों को जीने में
इन लम्हों को जीने में
हो रही है और खाना बहुत अच्छा रहा है अब तक
खाना अच्छा रहा है. Very good. Mumbai, Bobby's Mumbai. Cameraman Mohit is texting his girlfriend because he's a good boyfriend like that.
Good boy.
In other news, we have now stopped for Bhel Puri because it looked too good.
Just saying, you just said in other nudes.
I said other news.
You said nudes.
If I said nudes, then so be it. Editor, edit it out. I am only the editor. Guys, just look at that. It looks so good. Bangalore has good Bhel Puri though. Let's see if Mumbai has better.
Yeah, I'm really curious how this stacks up.
Right? Bangalore has really good Bhel Puri and the best thing Bangalore has is masala puri.
Oh, yeah. That very south masala.
Spicy, warm, comforting.
Very.
Nothing beats Bangalore masala puri.
Very. I think on a sick day, bro, one masala puri helps.
Oh.
You know, like that heat.
On a sick day, masala puri makes you feel better. On a good day, masala puri makes you feel great.
Yeah, facts.
Tikha, meetha, khatta mix. They put aloo in their Bhel Puri, Bobby. Look at his forearms, bro. I could never.
Actually, it's so defined.
It's huge. Thank you. Wow. Bobby's do a taste test.
Nice. It's spicy.
Feed me one bite, Bobby. We are sharing a bed. We can share a spoon as well. It's got a kick.
Great Bhel Puri.
Lovely.
You have one bite and you just want to have more and more.
Life does not get much better. You're jacked, you have abs, and you're eating Bhel Puri in Mumbai, and you get to stay at the Taj. Living the life, man. I cannot complain. मैं आया हूँ अपने पुराने दोस्त से मिलने.
Hi.
ये है दीक्षा. We went to school together, and she lives in Mumbai. ठीक है? This is the only person in Mumbai who was willing to host me for dinner. Thank you for meeting me.
Hi again.
Hi again. दीक्षा के पास स्क्रिप्ट नहीं आई अभी तक. ठीक है? But yes, we are here in किधर दादर.
Dadar Tanatan.
Dadar Tanatan. And by the way, for those of you who don't know, Diksha has seen me from day one to now.
Yes.
ठीक
From
है?
11th grade. I think that's about how many years?
8 साल. ठीक है? We are approaching 10 years of friendship and she's seen me since day one. She's always been a supporter. Thank you. ये मेरी मार्केटिंग करती है, पता है आप लोगों को.
Exactly. I increase his fan base.
Yes, 1 लाख फॉलोअर्स में से 80,000 तो इसने दिए हैं मेरे को. इसका पूरा कॉलेज फॉलो करता है मेरे को. ठीक है? एंड बाय द वे ये अपने स्कूल में टॉपर थी. हेड गर्ल थी, ये पता है.
Vice head girl.
वाइस हेड गर्ल. हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं थे. ठीक है? और ये बॉस गर्ल थी स्कूल में. अभी यहाँ पे मजदूरी करती है मुंबई में. कैसा लग रहा है?
Good.
सो मैंने दीक्षा को बताया नहीं था कि मुंबई आ रहा हूँ. एंड इसने मेरी स्टोरी रिप्लाई किया एंड बोला मुंबई में. मैंने बोला हाँ. व्हाट इज इट लाइक? यू मीटिंग मी आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स. हाउ इज इट लाइक नाउ?
It is fun. It is.
हैव आई चेंज्ड
Yeah.
पिछले 8 सालों में?
हाँ. Physically a lot.
फिजिकली छोड़ो, बट वुड यू से आई एम द सेम पर्सन दैट आई वाज इन स्कूल?
No.
नो. व्हाट हैज चेंज्ड?
You have matured a lot. You're not that buff.
I have matured, guys.
But you're also less. मतलब you were very free and fun that time. Like you didn't care about anything that time.
इसको बुढ़ापा बोलते हैं, guys. इसको maturity नहीं बोलते. So she says I have changed, but the only change is थोड़ा maturity that comes with age. Otherwise, I'm still the same cute, fun boy. Guys, we've gotten lal mas and some tandoori roti. लाल मास टेस्ट टेस्ट अभी रिसेंटली उदयपुर में खाया था. लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज़ हियर. अच्छा है, बट ये ऑथेंटिक लाल मास नहीं है.